Okay guys, it's Sunday fun day. Now, it ain't gonna be much of a video today because I can't show you really much progress. I mean, I've got some things to do, like I'm gonna finish the dynamatting of the car. I want to try and get this piece put on today, the top of the cowl. Just little things I got to clean up. Measure up my dry shaft, put my water pump on, my pulleys, my fan. Rear shock's got to go on, but there's the wiring anyway. So there's all the wiring. You know, try to keep it neat and tidy. Now all this, what you're seeing here, it's all strung across there. Everything will get loomed up and cleaned up, but we don't do that until the car is actually running and everything's hooked up. And the reason for that is if we need to get to something, we don't want to be untaping or taking all the loom off to find a wire if there's a problem. But we did test everything and everything seems to be working. So, but we just want to make sure. Just want to double check everything, right? So that's it. She's wired. So here's all the wires here, you see, coming out of the frame. These go to my headlight, park lights, hidden. Same on this side. Ran them through the frame on this side, headlight, park lights again. As you can see, again, like I say, we gotta tape up and loom all this, hide it. You know, we got our temperature wire nicely tucked in there. Wrap that in some black tape like we did on this one. We did do it's my alternator, one wire alternator, so we ran the wire. Coil mounted. Put the coil on an angle. Kind of want an angle to match the engine with the valve cover. Kind of cool. Again, wires tucked away nice and neat. Still got to do all my fuel stuff here. Got to do my vacuum line to the transmission. But that is what is going on today. So, I'm just going to play. Not much to show you. But there she is. She's all wired in. I'm happy. We turned the key on. Everything works. Oh, you see this in behind my glove box? Pretty cool, eh? Hid that in there. That's just my things. So if you need to plug my cell phone in or anything like that, it's all. Pardon the filming right now. I'm just trying to open the glove box. See, it's all. See, it's hidden in behind there. So you can plug in there, leave your phone in here, do whatever you want. Nobody will know. Pretty cool. So she's home. You know, on off switch. Made sure I tried the seat first. Put it there. Works out good. So we will continue on and play with the old Model A today. Alright. Alright, now some of you may like this, some of you may not. Like I said, I'm trying to build this car, I've said it over and over, I'm trying to build this car as if it was like early 60s, maybe late 50s. I'm not the guy that's going to make sure I've got every single thing period correct, because I don't. But I want it to have that feel to it. So for me, I just stuck with the old style, cheap, nasty Grant steering wheel. I like it. I think it's cool. There you go. I mean, I would love like have an Anson or something, a fancier wheel. But they're big money, and this to me is the same thing. I'm very happy with it. So I set that on there. Got the wheel on. It lines up pretty nice with the tires. Got our water pump on now. There's our water pump. The one thing I don't like. Maybe somebody out there's got an idea. Maybe I'll change it later, but for now, I forgot this water pump has got an outlet for heater hoses, which I don't have a heater. This is an aluminum water pump, so it's not like I can't weld that, right? So I guess somebody could, but I was thinking maybe I'd take that and get it cut off and re-weld it. I don't know. I'm thinking that over. I don't like this big blob thing here. Mind you, when the rad's in there and everything, you're not going to see it from the front no more. You're just going to get a glimpse of it right there. To me it looks tacky, but I got to think that over for now. I'm just trying to fit everything together. Covered up my wires with the old school cloth here. Got the vacuum line running down to the transmission, coming off the back of the block right there. So got that going. Where am I going to go here next? Yeah, just a few little things. Well, I'm not sure where I'm going to go here next. Maybe my tack. I might put my tack in next. Actually, before I do a tack, maybe I'll finish dynamating here. Because the tack's gonna, I think I'm gonna put the tack under the dash. I'm gonna be smacking my head on the fucking thing, so might dynamat that. I'm not getting too much done here today because I got a late start on it. So I only got like 2-3 hours today to work on it. Christmas is nearing, you know, you're out visiting family and doing stuff like that. So, you know, you always got to stop and take time for what's important. My cars are very important, but there's more to life than just cars, I think. Is there? God, what's wrong with me? Anyway, yeah. So I'm just plugging away. So I'll see what else I can get done. See what else I can do here. I don't know. Well, I got a list. Let's look at the list. What's my list? I need a battery, dry shaft, tranny, dipstick, oil dipstick, headers, which I'm waiting on, exhaust, well that's after. Cowl, I don't want to put the cowl on till I'm done with everything under the dash. Dynamat, tack, fuel gauge, and rag. Okay, well, I think I can handle the dynamat and the tack right now. Maybe. Let's give it a whirl. Okay, well I'm going to finish this video off for this Sunday here. I got some more dynamat in. You can see my tack laying there. Got my tack cup mounted. I don't know if you can see it. You see that piece of silver metal floor there? That's my piece that bolts around my column and my brake pedal. Just got to put the other little piece on it. And then I dynamat over that. But that's it. I'm going to call it a day for this Sunday fun day. And don't know what to tell you. This video is probably going to go up late. Probably won't go up on Sunday or Monday. I'm a bit behind here. Got to get the wife to do it. But the wife is busy, off doing things. So anyway, but that's all that's going on. So look forward to next Sunday fun day and seeing what's going on in the shop next week. See you later.